I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this one. Hey, it's me, Shamar, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing a femaler, a second one. And if you liked my previous video and you end up liking what's in this bag, because I'm so excited, I have a promo code for you guys. Yes, your girl out here with promo codes. And you can get 10% off. If you don't know what a femaler is, let me go ahead and explain. It is a subscription services, but instead of doing it every month, it's just every 3 months. And what else? It is $30, but how you would usually pay for like Etsy or something, it kind of equals up to the same amount. And you get 7 to 10 products, and they're all full-size products. And they usually add up to about $150, but you're only paying $30, so why not get it? I do apologize about my glasses. I don't feel like putting in my contacts, so please don't mind the ring light in my glasses. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh. And it always comes with a little pamphlet. And this one is the fall femaler, so they send them out every season. Send one out every season. And it says, "Fall in love with you." So cute. Oh. I don't want to read it. I don't want to read it because I don't want to see what's in it. I like this to be a surprise. And they always give you a baggie. Oh, this is cute. Oh, and it's even bigger. The last time they gave you like a smaller one, and it was like a little makeup bag. But this one is even bigger. And it said, "Don't touch my hair." By the way, if you do want that one, you can get it as a one-time purchase. It is more expensive. It's $50. But you can still use my promo code and get 10% off. Don't forget, if you do decide to get a femaler, 10% off with promo code Goldie. So let's see what the first item is. Technically, this is the first item because it's a bag. But let's get into this. Ooh, it looks like they sent us a face mask because they know your girls is going through Corona time. Nuggets. And it's a cute little cheetah print mask. I like this color. Let me try it on for y'all, model it. Hopefully my glasses don't fall out. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Cheetah girls, cheetah sisters. So there goes the first item. Let me, darn it, I don't want to throw them on the floor. What's this? I'm excited for this. I'm excited for this one. It's the original detangler brush. Oh, I guess it's the original. Is it the original one? It is. It's Felicia. It's the one by Felicia Leatherwood. Sorry. And I think that, wasn't they called that? I think this is the original one. It claims it's the original one. On the box it says it's the original one. Does that mean it's the original one? Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so just in case, y'all probably like, what is she talking about? Oh, I wish my hair wasn't in this poof so I can like give a demonstration. It's the one brush where, you know, it kind of like when you brush it and just do this. Record a hair video on Friday. Am I gonna do Friday? I think I'm gonna record one Friday, and I'm gonna test this brush out, and I'm gonna insert the clip of how it goes. How this goes. Oh, I'm so excited about this because I low-key been wanting one, but I just haven't gotten around to do it. And it's supposed to be like easily for detangling because, you know, it just kind of flows through your hair. Oh, I'm excited. excited to try this out. Let me see. Okay, and it even has like little in here. I don't want to look. No, I'm not gonna show y'all. But inside here, it has how to use them. I'm sorry, I just really like surprises, so I don't want to look at what's in here. So this one is, oh, this came in bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap so much. Sorry if you hate those. And this is like a little hair oil from African Pride. It's called Moisture Miracle. It comes with grapeseed oil, castor oil, argan, coconut, and olive oil. It says strengthens and protective 5 essential oils with vitamin E. Okay, I'm gonna use this too. And it comes with no parabens, no mineral oils, no sulfates. Okay. It has, oh, let me smell it. Damn it. Also, I got a new ring light. Let me know if you can tell down in the comments. Oh. It smells so good. It actually kind of like reminds me of a bubble bath. Like, it just smells so clean. I just want to, okay, sorry. I just want to pour this all over. And then we have these little pins that you can put on things. I mean, I'm probably going to end up just like putting them on here. This is, alright, so it says pretty period. Does that mean like, I'm such an idiot, because meanwhile I was thinking like pretty period, like, you know, when it's that time of month. But I'm still pretty at the end of the day. But no, that's not what I think it means, like pretty period. Period poo. And then it has these lips, and it has a girl with the fro. Let me get close. Can you just relax, please? So y'all can see. These are really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on this thing. This was the last item in here. Let me double check this thing to make sure. Yep, that was the last one. This actually says that this oil here is great for hot oil treatments. I hardly ever do this, but I want to start. I used to get them done all the time when I used to go to the salon and have relaxers done. I mean, not when I would have them done, but back when I would get relaxers, I would tend to get hot oil treatments. But okay, so let's review. And how many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So I might have, did I say 7, 8? I meant to say 5 to 7 items, and the bag is included as an item because they tend to be multi-use. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to use these two for sure. I'm very excited to use these when I go and wash and do my hair on Friday. And now I have a new mask, so I can be cute and wear this. And I'm probably going to use this to put like rollers or something in, because I've been trying to step up my perm rod game, and I've bought some more. So I'm going to put these in there. So this is very convenient. I thought they were going to give me another little bag, but no, they switched it up on me. Okay. Down below in the comments, let me know which one you like most. And if you do plan on getting a femaler, if you do plan on getting one, let me know. Just let me know, because, you know, I want to know. I'm nosy. And like always, I wish you nothing but good luck and blessings, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.